Cooking enthusiasts and busy professionals alike often seek reliable, efficient, and versatile cooking appliances that can fit into their fast-paced lives. This Cusimax 1800W ceramic electric hot plate is a stellar choice, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. This comprehensive review will delve into the myriad features and benefits of this upgraded version, helping you understand why it's an essential addition to your kitchen. Why you should buy. If you're looking for a portable and efficient cooking solution that doesn't compromise on performance, the Cusimax electric hot plate is an excellent investment. Its dual burners, fast heating capabilities, and safety features ensure that you can cook with confidence and convenience. Plus, the easy cleanup and durable design make it a practical addition to any kitchen. The Cusimax ceramic electric hot plate is a control infrared cooktop designed for maximum efficiency and ease of use. Whether you're an apartment dweller, RV enthusiast, or simply need extra cooking space, this portable countertop burner promises to meet and exceed your culinary needs. Its sleek silver and stainless steel design not only looks good but is built to last, offering both style and durability. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Cusimax double burner is its compatibility with a wide range of cookware. From cast iron and stainless steel to aluminum, ceramics, and glass, this hot plate can handle it all. The dual 7-1-inch cooking surfaces ensure efficient heating with minimal heat loss, making it versatile enough for any kitchen setup. Powered by 120V and 900 watts per burner totaling 1800W, the Cusimax infrared cooktop heats food quickly and evenly. This rapid and even heating capability saves energy compared to traditional gas stoves, making it an eco-friendly option as well. Whether you're boiling water, simmering sauce, or cooking a steak, this hot plate ensures that your food is heated to perfection every time. Cooking with the Cusimax hot plate is a breeze, thanks to its two independent temperature control knobs. Simply turn the knob to the desired setting to turn on or off each burner. This intuitive design allows for precise temperature control, enabling you to cook different foods simultaneously, thereby saving time and enhancing your cooking experience. The Cusimax electric hot plate is perfect for a variety of cooking tasks. Whether you're making hot sauce, simmering a stew, boiling pasta, or cooking vegetables, this hot plate can handle it all. It's an ideal solution for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, offices, or even outdoor cooking in your backyard. The compact and portable design ensures that you can cook delicious meals no matter where you are. Safety is a top priority with the Cusimax hot plate. It comes equipped with an automatic safety cutoff function that prevents overheating. When the set temperature is reached, the hot plate automatically shuts off for a few seconds before returning to the original setting. This feature not only prevents potential hazards but also prolongs the lifespan of the appliance. Additionally, the durable ceramic cooktop is easy to clean, and the robust silver stainless steel body can withstand frequent use. Cleaning up after cooking is often a dreaded task, but the Cusimax double burner makes it easy. The non-stick ceramic cooktop can be wiped clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge, ensuring that your hot plate looks as good as new after each use. The stainless steel body also resists stains and fingerprints, further simplifying maintenance. In a home kitchen, the Cusimax electric hot plate serves as an excellent supplementary cooking device. It's perfect for busy households that require additional cooking space, especially during holidays or family gatherings. The ability to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without compromising on space or convenience makes it an invaluable tool. For those living in apartments or dorm rooms, space is often a premium. The compact and portable design of the Cusimax hot plate fits perfectly into small living spaces, providing a reliable cooking solution without the need for a full-size stove. It's also easy to store when not in use, making it ideal for small kitchens. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the portability and efficiency of the Cusimax hot plate. Whether you're in an RV or camping in the great outdoors, this hot plate allows you to cook a wide range of meals with ease. Its robust construction and easy setup make it a practical choice for on-the-go cooking. In an office setting, the Cusimax hot plate offers a convenient way to prepare meals without relying on a communal microwave or stove. It's perfect for heating lunch or preparing a quick meal during a busy workday. The dual burners allow for versatile cooking options, ensuring that you can enjoy a variety of dishes at work. Conclusion: the Cusimax ceramic electric hot plate is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly cooking appliance that caters to a wide range of culinary needs. Its compatibility with various cookware types, fast heating, intuitive controls, and safety features make it a top choice for anyone seeking a reliable and portable cooking solution. Whether you're cooking at home, in an apartment, RV, or office, this hot plate delivers consistent performance and ease of use. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.